Welcome to GrynsKy keyboard tutorials. Today we are going to learn minor scale and 7th chord. So without much ado, let's start with the minor scale. So the previous lesson, or in the beginning of the tutorials, I taught you how to play the major scale for most of the keys, and I asked you to go and practice on. Today we are going to learn the minor scale. But before we learn the minor scale, I'm playing the major scale once again. So the major scale of key F is this one. And for key C, so for F sharp and the rest. So if you know the major scale, then the minor scale is not difficult. You will flat the third. So for key F, the third note or the mi, when you flat it, it will fall on this note. That's G sharp or A flat. So it will be Re. So do, Re, Mo, or flat 3. So that's the third note for the minor scale. We'll delete the mi from the major scale and we'll put the flat of the third. Then the fa or the fourth note is still the same. The so too is still the same. La is still the same, but the 7th, we'll flat the 7th also. So we'll have to or E flat. Then come to do. So I'm taking it one by one. F, G sharp, A sharp, C, D sharp or E flat. Then back to the F, the do. When you are able to get this one, then we'll look at the finger position. So it is similar to the previous finger for the major scale. They say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it for the minor scale. You can try it for other keys. So for C, the third will flat it and the 7th will flat it. If you know this formula, you can easily play it. Flat the third and flat the 7th for the major scale, then you get your minor scale. We have other type of minor scale, but I'll look at it in another lesson. So that's it for the minor scale. We are going to the 7th chord, how to form a 7th chord. GrynsKy. Let's continue. 7th chord. So the 7th chord is also very easy. I'll teach you the 7th major. We have different types, but for a level, I'll teach you either the major and the minor and the dominant, or I will only teach you the major. Then another lesson will do the minor, so that will not take much time in this lesson. So when you want to form a major chord, you are taking the major triad chord for the key, then you add the 7th note. Listen very carefully. You will take the major triad chord, let's say for key F, this is my major triad chord. Then where is my 7th note? The T. So I form my 7th major chord for F, F7 major chord. So that's do, mi, so, ti. You see how nice it sounds. So let's look at C major 7. So do, mi, so, ti. So the inventions, I've taught you how to form the inventions in the previous lesson when we were doing inventions, so I'll not go much into that. But if you are a new person and you are now joining the lesson, then you should know that the inventions, this is the root chord for C major 7, C7. So when you remove the do and put it at the top, then we can first inversion. When we remove the mi, and we put it on the top, so we have this mi. Then we remove this one, put it at the top. That's the so. So that's the inventions. So if you have any question, you can put it in the group or in the comment section. If you are watching it from YouTube or the Telegram page. So let's see if we can form the 7th chord in different key without using the scale. If you don't know the scale and you want to form the major scale, then this is a formula. When you get that particular key, you are forming the major 7th chord on it. Let's say E or E flat. Then you move 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th note is your next note. So 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th note. So you leave 3 spaces in between. Then the second one you leave 2 spaces. 1, 2. So this is my next note. Then the next one we leave 3 spaces again. 1, 2, 3. So the 4th one. So 3 space, 2 space, 3 space. So this is the E flat 7th chord. This is the triad chord, E flat triad chord. So the notes are E flat, G, B flat, and D. So the same as the minor 7th chord. So when I take F major, this is the minor. So when I add this one is the minor. This F major minor chord. The same as C minor. So we are done with today's lesson. So my keyboard is already in transpose, so maybe you will not get the same sound as I forgot to change it from the transpose. But the formula still work for it. So see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.